In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list items on eBay from AliExpress. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just looking to make some extra cash, this guide will set you on the right path toward a successful e-commerce venture. First things first, you'll want to either create or optimize your eBay seller account. If you haven't already, sign up for an eBay business seller account. As you set it up, fill in important details like your business name and upload a logo to establish your brand identity. You'll also need to choose a suitable payment method, such as eBay payments, and set your shipping preferences, ensuring to extend handling time to accommodate AliExpress orders. Don't forget to protect your account with two-factor authentication for some added security. A helpful tip here is to list a small selection of products initially, somewhere between 5 to 10, to build your seller reputation and gather feedback. Once your account is ready, dive into product research to find profitable items to sell. Use tools or rely on manual methods to scout for high demand and low competition products. Checking AliExpress sections like best sellers or flash deals can be helpful. Also, verify demand by browsing eBay's sold listings. Ideally, look for products that offer a nice profit margin, fast shipping, and are supplied by reliable sellers with a rating of 4.7 stars or higher. Handy tools like Zik Analytics for product research, AliSave, or AliHunter for supplier tracking, and DSers for automating orders can significantly streamline your process. Once you've decided on the products to sell, it's time to compare prices to ensure a healthy profit. For instance, if an item on AliExpress costs $8 and you're selling it on eBay for $19.99, remember to consider eBay fees around 13% and calculate your net profit, which in this example would come to approximately 9.339 cents per sale. Always factor in these fees and include a shipping buffer to maintain your profitability. When you're ready to list your products, you can manually do it or go the bulk listing route using special tools. If you choose to list manually, approach it step by step. Navigate to your seller hub, click on listings, and then select create listing. Copy relevant product information from AliExpress, such as the title, making sure to use optimized keywords, the description, which you should rephrase to make unique, and the images, remembering not to hot link, but rather download or screenshot them. Set your price inclusive of your profit margin, configure the handling time based on your suppliers, offer free economy shipping, and optionally add a return policy to boost sales. Be cautious not to copy AliExpress descriptions word for word, as eBay might flag them as duplicate content. Finally, when a customer makes a purchase, fulfill the order by buying the product on AliExpress using the buyer's shipping details. Opt for AliExpress standard shipping, which includes tracking, and update eBay with the tracking number as soon as it's available. For efficiency, consider automating this process with tools like AutoDS, CJ Dropshipping, or DSers. Keep customer service as a priority by promptly responding to inquiries within 24 hours. In situations where a product does not reach the customer, offer a partial or full refund to keep your account in good standing, and don't hesitate to leverage AliExpress buyer protection for disputes related to non-delivery. Lastly, as you look to scale your business, automation software can be incredibly beneficial.